Hey, garden friends, Tracy here. You've been commenting and watching my videos and supporting me, cheering me on through my ongoing gardening journey. And I just want to say thank you. Seriously, you are the reason that I keep showing up and sharing my videos. I really loved building my YouTube channel over the years, but I've always kind of felt like I needed a little bit more connection with people. Like, I still have questions. I really want to know what people want, and I wanted to kind of create more of a community type feeling where people could come and we can talk more about gardening and we can share knowledge and we can ask questions. Not just me giving videos to you, but you coming to me and connecting with other gardeners so that we can all talk about everything gardening. So that's why I created the community Gardeners Growing Together. I really wanted to create a safe, supportive space where people can, you know, ask anything they want and learn at their own pace, whether you're a beginner gardener or somebody who's been gardening for years. I wanted all of us to be able to come together and support each other and just, be able to feel like we're in a space with other people where we can connect and learn and share about gardening. So if you haven't already joined, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below to my community that I've created on the school app. It's free to join. You just have to click on the link below, enter in a couple details on the school app. They will show you how to connect so that you can put it on your phone. So it's very easy to tap in, tap out to join in on the chats to see what's going on in the community. And from there, you will have access to ongoing gardening tips. We have a community recipe box. We are doing a seed exchange. We are doing live webinars. I'm looking for speakers always to come and join and talk about gardening and make it an interactive webinars where you can come in and either just watch or you can ask questions. So I'm really hoping that this is something that will grow as an extension to my YouTube channel, which I will keep producing videos for. But I really wanted to give people that opportunity to be part of a gardening community. So again, if you are interested in joining Gardeners Growing Together, you'll find the link to it in the description box below, and I hope to see you in our community.